how to log out TikTok account. So let's see in this video. Before moving forward, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more updates from us. Now let's begin. So the first thing is, obviously you need to open up your TikTok application and you must have logged into your account. Once you are in the home page of TikTok, you need to tap on your profile in the right bottom corner where you will be able to see your profile. So in order to log out, you have to tap on the 3-bar horizontal line in the right upper corner and you have to go for settings and privacy. And here you have to scroll down to the button where you will be able to see logout option. If you have got multiple accounts, then you can also switch accounts by which you will be able to log out of your current account. But if you want to simply log out, then you can tap on logout option and go for logout. And if you want to save your login info, then you can go for save. By doing that, from the next time you don't have to enter your login information, you will be directly logged into your account. And you can go for logout. And after a few seconds, you will be logged out of your TikTok account. So I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel for more updates from us. Thanks for watching.